Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your favorite reactor from New York, Josh Diron. Thank you so much for coming by. Salamat datang kembali. Kisalaran saya. Terima kasih. On today's reaction video, guys, we are back with the second gala show of X Factor Indonesia 2021 with the trending boy himself, Danar Widianto. Okay guys, Danar Widianto is back, and of course, it's trending again, his latest performance on the second gala show of X Factor Indonesia 2021. And we will be reacting to that today. And the title of this one is MESIN WAKTU BUDI DOREMI. So guys, without further ado, let's go to this reaction. Danar.
Aku saat gala live show pertama aku selesai, aku lega banget. Aku dapat 3 standing ovation.
Yeah, that was a standing ovation. The last performance of Danar Widianto was like really a standing ovation. It was really impressive.
Aku benerin badannya Danar.
Oh, she's the mentor.
Juga menentukan tentunya ya, nervous mesti dikontrol, gesture-nya mesti dikontrol.
She's really good.
Aku mau dia duduk tuh, aku pengen orang bisa dengerin suara Danar di saat musiknya udah lumayan agak rame baru berdiri.
Ini spesial, punya treatment berbeda, lain dari yang lain.
It's so nice that we can see, them practicing for the gala show.
Mungkin aku nggak terarahkan. Aku berharap di panggung gala live show kedua ini aku dapat standing ovation nggak cuma 3 tapi tambah lagi jadi 5 dan aku lolos ke tahap selanjutnya.
Danar Widianto.
Danar.
MESIN WAKTU. Oh wow, that is so good.
Ingatmu lagi, aku takkan sanggup dengan yang terjadi pada kita.
This scene is so good.
Kau melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah.
Very nice.
Ku akui aku kalah.
Very nice voice. I really like it. And she's so happy for that.
Dan tak harus memiliki. Jika aku bisa, ku akan kembali.
That is so good.
Merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih.
Okay, I just want to say something that, this performance of Danar Widianto, you're gonna fall in love with his voice. And also, the choice of the music, MESIN WAKTU is a beautiful love song. And, I really like it a lot. And look at him now. You can see that there's so much confidence in him, maybe because of the mentoring of that judge. And as you can see now, the performance is really good. Guys, let's go back.
Meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau,
Bawakan
lewat mesin waktu.
Wow. Yeah. The control, look at that.
Jika melupakanmu hal yang mudah, ini takkan berat, takkan membuat hatiku lelah. Panjang
Oh yeah.
perjalanan yang harus ku lalui, merelakanmu.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Aku bisa, ku akan
I like his look.
ku akan merubah takdir cinta yang ku pilih, meskipun tak mungkin, walaupun ku mau.
That was so good, guys. That was so good.
Bawakan
And soft. voice on this part. So good. Oh, that was a heartfelt performance by Danar Widianto. Again, you know, they're giving you standing ovation, Danar. That was so good. Wow guys, that is a beautiful experience just watching Danar Widianto with his very enchanting voice, you know, singing MESIN WAKTU BUDI DOREMI. Guys, let's go straight to the good points that I just want to tell you on that performance. First, I can see that there's so much confidence now with Danar Widianto, maybe because of the mentoring of that beautiful judge for this round of the gala show. Again, and at the same time, you know, I like kudos to the stylist of X Factor Indonesia. You know, I like his get-ups, I like the way he looks right now. And also guys, the beautiful choice of the song of Danar Widianto. It fits his beautiful voice. It's very good to hear. And kudos, thank you, congratulations to Danar Widianto on this round of the gala show of X Factor Indonesia. So guys, what can you say about that performance of the trending boy Danar Widianto? I want to hear from you, okay? Leave your comments, your suggestions, or any opinion about this music video. So guys, I hope you enjoy this reaction video, and if you want me to react on other videos like your favorite artists or singers, leave your comments down below or message me, and who knows, your request may be my next video. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day and God bless. See you in my next video. Yeah.